3 years ago, I started my journey helping small businesses run Facebook ads. Fast forward to today, I've built multiple successful online businesses using Facebook ads, like dropshipping, selling digital products, and affiliate marketing. Now, I want to share everything I've learned to help you do the same in 2025. So, first, what are Facebook ads? Meta ads are paid social media marketing to drive traffic and conversions. They appear in formats like Facebook feeds, Instagram stories, and Reels. Meta ads are the second largest social media marketing platform behind Google Ads and are vital for thousands of businesses globally. If you're running an online business and not using Facebook ads, you're probably leaving money on the table. To get started, here's what you need. Use an active, established personal Facebook account to avoid bans. Borrow one if needed, and engage with posts to seem genuine. Set a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and verify your business suite with ID. Go to Meta Business Manager, create an account, log in with your profile, enter business details, and verify your email. Create a Facebook page and ad account under Business Settings. Install the Meta app on Shopify to set up your pixel for data collection. For non-Shopify platforms, follow a YouTube tutorial. Then let's build your first campaign. Facebook ads have a hierarchy: campaign, ad sets, ads. Campaigns hold ad sets and ads. Ad sets handle targeting. Ads are creatives. Click Create, select Sales, choose Manual for control, and name the campaign. Turn off catalog items. Enable Advantage Plus campaign budget, $50 to $100, and let Facebook optimize spending. For ad sets, choose Conversions and Purchase as goals. Start at 12 a.m. for a 24-hour cycle. Target USA, Canada, UK, Australia, and leave other settings broad. For ads, select your page, upload creatives, skip Facebook's optimizations, and add two primary texts, headlines, and descriptions for split testing. Duplicate the ad set 5 to 7 times based on creatives, then publish. Wait 24 hours before analyzing data to avoid premature conclusions. Key metrics: cost per click, CPC, below $1.50, click-through rate, CTR, above 1.5%, CPM between $25 and $45, and return on ad spend, ROAS, of 1.5 for cold traffic. 2.0 plus is good. If something isn't working, don't panic. Try changing, like your picture or headline. Test one variable at a time. Now, this part's crucial. Read Facebook's policies and stay safe. Platforms like Facebook and Google flag you if you log into multiple accounts from the same device. Your hard-earned ad account gets banned and you lose the client too. MoreLogin is the ultimate solution to this problem. Create a separate browser profile for each client, each with a different fingerprint, IP, and environment. You can manage many clients' accounts on the same laptop without any risk. I've safely managed 8 clients at accounts using MoreLogin. No flags, no bans. It's safe, simple, and secure. If you want to stay safe too, keep watching. I will show you how to use it. First, search for MoreLogin and register an account. Enter your account. Also, you can sign up directly through Google account. Then, download and install MoreLogin. This takes some time. Be patient, and once it's done, log into your account. If you use the link I provide, you'll get 150 free profiles for 14 days. Otherwise, you can only get 2 free profiles. Next, create a new profile on the home page. You can choose Chrome or Firefox, and browser versions are also available, but it is recommended to choose the latest one. MoreLogin is available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS operating systems. You can also customize fingerprint information. Proxy supports custom editions or direct purchases on the platform. If you have self-proxy like me, just enter the proxy info. Here, just paste all info in. It will automatically recognize and fill in, and check the proxy. Pass. After that, you can also pre-add account information and import cookies to quickly migrate data from other fingerprint browsers. Once all the information is filled in, click Confirm, and then click Start to begin. You can create more profiles to test them out. Each profile will have different languages, fingerprints, and time zones. Log into your different YouTube accounts in each profile and you can easily manage them. So, if you're serious about scaling your Facebook ads in 2025, whether for clients, e commerce, or affiliate offers, build your ad setup the smart way. Avoid bans and work efficiently.